Blue Jay Signature located in Tumkur Road, Bangalore West. Let's take a detailed look at its unit plans, location, amenities, price growth, and builder analysis in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. Blue Jay Signature, spread across 9.6 acres, is a ready-to-move residential project offering largest BDA approved villa plots. Buyers here can look forward to 226 luxury villa plots surrounded by world-class amenities and green areas. The layout includes areas of greenery with trees and open spaces integrated alongside the residential plots, providing a clear division between different sections of the community. Now take a look at the sizes and prices of the plots being offered. The plot area ranges between 600 square feet to 1800 square feet. Now let's take a look at the amenities available. The complex offers a variety of indoor amenities starting with the clubhouse for gatherings, a banquet hall for events, a well-equipped gymnasium, a swimming pool and a carom area for leisure activities. Residents can also enjoy chess, table tennis, a pool table, CCTV surveillance and 24/7 security ensuring both entertainment and safety. The outdoor amenities include tree-lined streets, paved footpaths, a paved entrance plaza, cricket nets, and a seating gallery for relaxation and activity. For families, there is a Mount Play Zone, a seating plaza, a butterfly park, a rock garden, and a kids play zone. Wellness-focused amenities include a yoga lawn, a meditation deck, a reflexology walkway, an outdoor gymnasium, and a basketball dribbling court. Now let's move on and take a look at the price trends and location of this project. Strategically located on Tumkur Road, Blue Jay Signature offers excellent connectivity via Nice Road, Air Force Road and Hesaragatta Road along with proximity to Dasarahalli Metro Station and Yeshwantpur Junction. In addition to this, major educational institutions, hospitals, malls, etc. are nearby, making it convenient and accessible for residents. Tumkur Road has already seen some significant price appreciation in the last 1 year as per the price trend section of 99 Acres. It also happens to be showing more aggressive growth in comparison to other similar and neighboring localities. The location also stands to benefit from the upcoming developments such as the 190-kilometer tunnel connecting key parts of the city, Bangalore Peripheral Ring Road, high-density corridors, and Bangalore Satellite Town Ring Road all aim to bolster connectivity in the region. Residents have rated this locality 4.5 out of 5, appreciating the connectivity and lifestyle. They enjoy the good transportation system, schools nearby, market availability, and well-maintained roads. Peeve points include frequent traffic jams and parking issues. Now let's take a look at the payment plan where you pay 25% on advance booking of the plot payable on 30 days of booking, 75% on registration, 30 days from the date of agreement. Switching gears and shifting the focus to the builder. Established in 2010, Blue Jay has emerged as a leading real estate company in Bangalore, focusing on luxury lifestyle through its townships, villas, and apartments. The company aims to contribute to real estate market and help citizens find their dream homes. Blue Jay began its journey with a well-designed mid-sized apartment in West Bangalore, strategically acquiring land banks across the city. Blue Jay has delivered 40 lakh square feet of residential space including 3,000 apartments, villas and condominiums across 16 residential projects. Some of its projects include Malgudi Villas, Astor Villas, Atmosphere Premium Plots, Sunshine Hills, etc. To buy or know more about this project, click on the link.